Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure the app is already installed. If not, download it from the App Store. Once done, unlock your iPad and navigate to the rightmost home screen page. You will see the app library grouped into folders and suggestions. Tap a category or use the search field to locate the app. This step locates the icon you'll place. Do not try to create shortcuts from widgets yet. Use the app library for the only reliable method. Now press and hold the icon until it lifts and you enter jiggle mode. You'll feel or see the icon ready to move. Drag the icon left toward the home screen. The interface switches pages as you push it. Navigate to the precise page and position where you want the icon to sit. If you want it inside a folder, drag onto another app until a folder opens. Release to drop the icon and tap Done or press Home to finish. Finish by exiting jiggle mode. Tap Done at the corner or press the home gesture if you use one. Arrange adjacent icons or move into folders to keep your layout tidy. You can rename folders by opening them and editing the title. If the app icon won't add, make sure the app is fully installed in the app library and not restricted by screen time or device management. If problems persist, restart the iPad and repeat the Drag from App Library step to resolve transient glitches.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.